can do it right away. Listen while I say it, sing it while you may. Here's a simple ditty, you can do it night or noon. You don't have to have the words, cause I just sang it too. I don't want her, you can have her, she's too fat for me. You're too fat for me, she's too fat for me. I don't want her, you can have her, she's too fat for me. She's too fat, she's too fat, she's too fat for me. She fit in my coupe by herself. She is a group. Could she possibly now sit here upon my knee? No, no, no. She's a one-sum, she's a two-sum. You should see I'd like her better if she could only lose. I don't want her, you can never, she's too fat for me. She's too fat for me, she's too fat for me. I don't want her, you can have her, she's too fat for me. She's too fat, she's too fat, she's too fat for me. Well, now she's smiling. Now she's grinning. You should see. It's alarming. When she goes swimming, I don't want her, you can have her. She's too fat for me. She's too fat for me. She's too fat for me. Oh, I don't want her, you can have her. She's too fat for me. She's too fat. She's too fat. She's too fat for me.
Request. We got all two Fat Polka. We can play some other ones too, folks. Please come up and let us know what you'd like to hear. Tinker Polka coming up next. What do you think about it, Ron? We get a free haircut? All right, we get a free haircut.